Hi guys, welcome to today's lesson. We want to look at equations involving fractions. So we have two examples for today. One, 5 over 2x equals 5 over 6. We want to find the value of x. And also we have 1 over 3 brackets open, 2x minus 1 bracket close, minus 4 over 9 of 3x minus 2 equals negative 1 over 9. So let's look at the first example. Okay. We have 5 over 2x equals 5 over 6. The first thing that we have to do is to find the LCM for this particular equation. And that LCM is going to be our denominators. We have 2x and we have 6 here. So what we need to do is to multiply the two. So this becomes 12x. So we need to multiply through by the LCM, which is 12x. So let's do that. This would become 12x by 5 over 2x equals 5 over 6 by 12x. 2x will cancel itself once and go into 12x 6 times. So this would become 6 by 5 over 1 equals 6 will also cancel itself once and go into 12x 2 times. So this would become 5 over 1 by 2x. All right. 6 will then multiply 5. Now that's going to be 30 equals 5 is going to multiply 2x. That's going to be 10x. We divide this side by 10, this side by 10. So our final answer is going to be x equals 3. 10 will cancel itself 1, go into this 10, 1. 10 will cancel itself 1, go into 30 3 times. This becomes our final answer. With respect to the second example, 9 would be our LCM because 9 can go into itself once and then 3 can also go into 9 3 times. All right. If you observe this question carefully, you realize that you need to identify the number of terms before you can actually solve this example. And in this very example, the number of terms that we have here are 1, 2, and then 3. Although in the identification of terms, they are being separated by addition and subtraction. But this very one is classified as one term because we have 1 over 3 multiplying the whole of this bracket. And then over here we have 4 over 9 multiplying the whole of this bracket. So we see this whole expression as one term and this expression also as one term. So in all we have 1, 2, 3 terms. Okay, so what we need to do is to multiply through by our LCM. So this will become 9 by 1 over 3 of 2x minus 1 minus 9 by 4 over 9 of 3x minus 2 equals minus 1 over 9 by 9. This 3 will go into 9 3 times. This 9 will go into itself here once. This 9 will also go into this once. So what we would have left is 3 by 2x minus 1. 3 by 2x minus 1. And then what we will have here is 1 by 4 by 3x minus 2. So minus 4 3x minus 2. Then lastly, minus 1 or negative 1 by 1 would give us negative 1. So let's then expand by removing these two brackets. So this will become 6x minus 3. Then negative 4 times 3x is going to be negative 12x. Then negative 4 times negative 2 would become positive 8 equals negative 1. Now let us group our like terms. 6x and negative 12x must be at one side. So this will become 6x minus 12x equals negative 1 plus 3 minus 8 also at one side. Then 6x minus 12x will be negative 6x equals negative 1 plus 3 is positive 2. Positive 2 minus 8 will be negative 6. So we will then divide through by negative 6. Divide this side by negative 6. Our final answer is going to be x equals 1, because negative 6 will cancel negative 6 and negative 6 will also cancel negative 6, leaving positive 1. I hope this helps.